Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your email in TikTok account. To do this, you just need to go open your TikTok
to a reserve table.
and
Waiting
after
for us was
that
a pin
go
badge.
and to your profile, click on like your profile icon. And after that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. And after that, click on Account Information. And after that, click on Email and click on Change Email. And after that, it will send like a code to your email account linked, of course, as you can see on the top of the notification bar. I received an email. You just need to enter the code that you will receive in your email, and after that change your email address. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.